So once again, to change the settings, we go up here to Gann and Fibonacci tools. We choose our Fibonacci retracement. We drag it out here, and then we go and click on the settings tab. So once again, you want to make sure that you have the 0 right here checked. For this one, we want to uncheck the 0.236, but we actually want to keep both the 0.382 and we want to keep the 0.5. For the rest of the bars here, you actually want to uncheck all of these ones, or of course you want to make sure that you keep the 1. So these right here are the settings you want. And what you also can do here is that you go up here to the 0.382 and you change this one to the same color as for 0 and 1. And that's pretty much it for this setting. Of course, as always, you can change the background if you want to. I like to keep it as it is. So now we are ready to go down here and press OK. So now you may of course wonder, why is this specific setting good when we are seeing strong trends? Well, when we are seeing strong trends, like we are seeing right here, you can see we have a swing low, swing high, another low, high, low, high. And when we are in these steep uptrends, you will realize that many times the pullbacks here, so the pullbacks are the moves against the direction of the trend, the pullbacks will have a very hard time to go below the 0.5 level. And remember, the golden zone is below 0.5. Most of the times the price will reverse actually slightly above 0.5, or many times more close to 0.382. And that is why I really like this setting, especially when we're seeing lots of demand like we are, for example, on this chart. So now let's use the Fibonacci tool with our new settings. So once again, we can either anchor from wick to wick or body to body. In this example, we can anchor from the wick of the swing low up here to the swing high. We can drag this one a little bit more to the right here. And as you can see, the price came down to this level. We saw a strong, this is actually something we call a bullish engulfing pattern, which is a pattern that indicates a reversal here towards the upside. So we saw a bullish engulfing pattern coming in here at our key Fibonacci zone. We can actually, once again, we drag from wick all the way up to the highest wick of the next swing high. We drag it a bit to the left here, and once again we can see that the price pulled back here. We pull back all the way to the 0.382 to 0.5. We saw a strong candle right here, and then the price once again shot up to the upside. Let's see if we get another pullback. You can see we anchor from wick to the highest wick, right? You can see the highest wick all the way up here. We drag the Fibonacci zone a bit here to the right, and you can see that once again the price came down right to this area with this green candle right here, and then the price continued to push higher. And now I just realized that I haven't shown you guys an example of a downtrend yet. So let's take a look at how we can use these settings in a downtrend. So the first thing we can notice here is that we are once again seeing a strong downtrend, a very steep and very clear downtrend. So what we do here, we once again have the same settings as before because we have a strong trend. And now we can use the other method. So we anchor from the candle, the highest point of the swing, down here to the low. You can see that we saw the impulsive move up, the pullback came up to our area, and then it continued down. We can once again use our Fibonacci from the next swing high to swing low. So we use it like this, and once again you see we saw the move, the pullback came up to this area, and then we saw the next push towards the downside. Alright, so if you guys want to dive deeper and learn about more Fibonacci settings and techniques, simply click or tap on the screen right here. I hope to see you guys in the full course very soon.